Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to be going over ticker symbol AMC. This is a stock that I've been talking about when it was right around here. But before we get into the technicals, before we get into the fundamentals, all I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and like the video because it shows you guys are still interested in these types of videos. Also, on my channel, I'll be providing my subscribers with free ARK Invest buy/sell alerts. So don't forget to subscribe, and now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about why I am so excited for AMC tomorrow. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I did purchase AMC when it was around here, and I mentioned it to my subscribers, and we've had a massive run up, and let me just say, I don't think that this run is over. But then again, this is all just my opinions, and remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm seeing now with AMC is that we completely broke this resistance that I drew a while ago, and now this resistance is actually going to act as a support, because tomorrow we have AMC earnings, which I'm sure we all know of, right? And so the next resistance that I am looking for is this 1305 resistance. It's also important to note though that if we want to reach that 1305 resistance or break above that, what we need to do first is break the 1105 resistance, because that's what we ended up reaching just a few days ago when the CEO of AMC went on CNBC. I'm sure we all notice these patterns. Whenever a big catalyst comes for AMC, it completely spikes up, because before the CEO of AMC went on CNBC, the stock was trading right around $6 to $8. But as soon as the CEO went, we had a big spike up above the resistance and we went all the way to 1105. As we are approaching AMC earnings, it looks like we will be able to reach that again. The big question though is, will we be able to break above that? And if so, the next key level that we should be looking at is the 1305 area. And then after it breaks 1305, this stock is limitless to see where it ends up going. But not only that, the stochastic RSI is basically indicating the same thing, and we're now having a reversal of the type of volume bars that are coming in. We now have green candlesticks coming in rather than a majority of red, which is kind of what we've been seeing these past few days. But again, that also could be because the market was pretty weak last week because everything was completely down. But let's say AMC does fall for some reason, then again, the supports that you guys should be looking at would be the 872 area. And then if it breaks that, what you guys should be looking at is a 636 here. I'm not saying it's going to go to 636. However, for some reason, I want you guys to be prepared. I don't want any of my subscribers bag holding a stock, so I just want everyone to be prepared for what could end up happening. But these are just some supports that you guys could be aware of in case worse does come to worse, which hopefully it does not. My opinion though is I believe AMC will spike because of earnings tomorrow, and I'm very excited to see how much it goes up. And I'm not looking for it to hit the resistance that it did a few days ago. What I'm looking for is a bigger move to the 1305 area, and then I'm hoping that it ends up breaking that area as I mentioned before. So that's going to do it for the technical side. Now I'm going to go ahead and transition over to what Kathy Wood has been buying. The stock of the day that ARK Invest has been adding to their various ETFs is known as Unity Software, or in other words, ticker symbol U. Now, I've been adding this stock ever since it was on $100 per share, and the price quickly spiked all the way up to $170 per share. However, with the recent decline, especially in tech stocks, this stock fell all the way to $85 a share. As I mentioned before though, ARK Invest keeps on increasing their portfolio allocation into Unity Software and increasing their share position, because on February 26th of 2021, which is not too long ago, they had roughly 4.3 million shares of Unity in their ARK K ETF. And now they have almost 5 million shares of Unity. Hopefully this gives some confidence to Unity Software shareholders, and with that being said guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching.